Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open SkyReels AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and then select sign up. Here's you'll need to enter a username and email address. For this YouTube video, I'll use a temporary email address. So open temp mail, copy the email address and paste it into SkyReels AI. Next, enter a strong password and click the send code button. A verification code will be sent to your temporary email inbox. So go back to temp mail and wait for the email to arrive. Once you receive the email, open it and copy the verification code you received from SkyReels and paste it back again in SkyReels AI and finally click the sign up button. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this where you can create free AI videos from either text or a reference image. Below that, you'll need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, simply copy it and paste it into SkyReels AI. You can keep the prompt in enhancer turned on if you want. Underneath, you can choose the video duration, the resolution of the video, and aspect ratio of the video as well. Once everything is set, simply click the generate button at the bottom of the page. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for SkyReels AI using your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. This free tool gives you 100 free credits as a sign-up bonus, which is enough to generate approximately 2 AI videos, depending on the video duration and setting you choose. If you want to create more than 2 videos or generate longer video content, once your free credits run out, simply sign up again using a different Google account or email address to receive more free credits. However, I recommended using temporary email address because you can easily create multiple accounts and continue generating videos. This way, you can create as many videos as you want until this platform becomes paid or introduces more generation limits. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with SkyReels AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.